Hello friends, welcome back. My name is Mohsin Mullah and today we are going to see examples on even and odd signals. So already in the previous video lecture we have seen one example on even and odd signals. Let us see some more examples on the same. So the first example here that we are going to do, or rather it is example number 2 on even and odd signals. So here the given signal is x of t equal to e raised to x of t equal to e raised to minus 2t cos omega t. Find, so here you can write 4 x of t equal to e raised to minus 2t cos omega t. Find even and odd component of the find even and odd component of the given signal x of t. Okay, so here to find the even component of this signal and odd component of this signal, so we have already got the expression, so we are just going to substitute in that expression the corresponding terms, and simplification will give us the even component and odd component. So let us write the formula for. We know that even component is given by xo of t equal to 1 divided by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. So therefore here we need to substitute x of t and x of minus t. X of t is already given, x of minus t is not available, so let us find x of minus t here. Put t equal to minus t in given x of t equal to minus 2t cos omega t. We get x of minus t, so e raised to minus 2t, so it will become e raised to plus 2t, and cos of omega minus omega t, but cos of minus omega t is also cos omega t, so therefore we can write it as just cos omega t. Okay, so this is x of minus t, so x of t is this and x of minus t is this. So now we can substitute in equation 1, therefore from 1 xo, sorry, it is even, so xe of t, xe of t equal to 1 divided by 2 e raised to minus 2t cos t, the given x of t, and here e raised to plus 2t into cos t, cos omega t. Okay, so therefore xe of t is equal to 1 over 2, so cos omega t can be taken outside, so therefore it is e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to 2t into cos omega t. Now this 1 divided by 2 into e raised to minus 2t plus e raised to 2t is nothing but a cos hyperbolic function, so therefore here we can write it as 1 divided by 2, so this can be written in terms of cos hyperbolic, so that time here it will become 1 divided by 2 will be vanished here. Okay, so it will be cos of hyperbolic 2t into cos of omega t as it is. Okay, so this is what we get as a even component. Similarly, we know that odd component is given by 1 divided by 2 x of t, here it is minus x of minus t. So x of t and x of minus t already we have, we need to just substitute. So let us substitute. X of t is given as e raised to minus 2t cos omega t, then minus e raised to plus 2t cos of omega t 1 divided by 2 e raised to minus 2t minus e raised to 2t cos omega t. So therefore this is going to be replaced by sine hyperbolic function. Therefore this is minus with the minus sign, sine hyperbolic 2t into cos omega t. This is xo of t, even component of the given signal x of t. So any given signal will have its even component and odd component, or any signal can be constructed by using even and odd part of the signal. Okay, so similarly let us take one more example here. Example number 3. Find even and odd components of x of t equal to x of t equal to cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t, cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t. Okay, so now x of t is given. In order to find even function, even component and odd component, we need to have x of minus t. So let us find. Okay, so in the solution, first let us write the given. X of t is cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t. Okay, now put t equal to minus t. So in all the examples you need to follow this step. By substituting t equal to minus t, we have to obtain x of minus t term, then only we will be able to find the even and odd component. So it will be cos of minus t plus sin of minus t plus cos of minus t into sin of minus t. Okay, so simplifying further, cos minus t is cos t, sin minus t is minus sin t, cos t is plus cos t, sin minus t is minus sin t. So it is minus cos t into sin t. Okay, now let us try to find even component. Even component is given by x e of t equal to here it is minus sin minus cos t into sin t. Okay, so now let us see which terms will remain, which terms will get cancelled. So here sin t and minus sin t will get cancelled, plus cos t sin t minus cos t sin t will get cancelled. So what we get is 1 divided by 2. Cos t plus cos t is 2 cos t. So therefore what we get is cos t. So sinusoidal, in terms of sinusoidal functions, cos t is the even part or even component. Naturally cos is even signal, so therefore you get even signal xe of t equal to cos t. Similarly, odd component is given by xo of t equal to 1 by 2 x of t minus x of t, substituting the terms cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t minus cos t, then minus, so here let us put a bracket as minus sign is there here, minus sin t minus cos t into sin t. Okay, so now you can rewrite it once again. So cos t plus sin t plus cos t into sin t minus cos t, so minus minus plus sin t minus minus plus cos t into sin t. Okay, so here cos term will get cancelled and sin t we will get, and cos t into sin t, so it is 1 divided by 2 times sin t plus 2 times cos t into sin t. Okay, so 2 will get cancelled from each term, then sin t if taken common, so sin of t into 1 plus cos t is the odd part of the given signal x of t. Okay, now let us take one more example. Example number, I think it is 4. Find the even and odd part of first one is x of t equal to 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 10 into t raised to 4. Okay, and the second example is 1 plus x of t equal to 1 plus t cube into cos of 10t. Okay, so now let us try to find the even and odd part of these two examples here. So let us first take x of t equal to 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 10 into t raised to 4. Okay, so now first of all we need to put t equal to minus t in order to get the x of minus t term. So here we get x of minus t plus 3 minus t square plus 5 minus t cube plus 10 minus t whole raised to 4. So now 1 minus t, so square of minus t is also plus, so therefore plus t square. Here minus t cube is minus with the negative sign to t cube plus 10 t raised to minus t raised to 4 is going to be plus 10 t raised to 4. Okay, so this is x of minus t. Therefore even part is given by x e of t 1 divided by 2 x of t plus x of minus t. Substituting x of t and this, so x of t is 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 10 into 10 t raised to 4 plus x of minus t is 1 minus t plus 3t square minus 5t cube plus 10t raised to 4. So let us see which terms will get cancelled due to signs. So here it is plus t, and here it is minus t. Then similarly plus 5t cube minus 5t cube, and remaining terms of all are all plus, so let us keep them. So 2 plus 2 into 3t square plus 2 into 10 raised to 10 into t raised to 4. So from every term 2 will get cancelled with this denominator 2, and we get x e of t equal to 1 plus 3t square plus 10t raised to 4. Okay, so that is what we get from this simplification. Okay, so now let us try to find the odd part here. X o of t equal to 1 divided by 2 x of t minus x of minus t. Substituting x of t 1 plus t plus 3t cube plus 10 or 5 sorry it is 3t square plus 5t cube plus 10t raised to 4 minus, let us keep a bracket here, 1 minus t plus 3t square minus 5t cube plus 10 into t raised to 4. So we have to first open the bracket. 1 plus t plus 3t square plus 5t cube plus 10t raised to 4 minus 1 plus t minus 3t square plus 5t cube minus 10t raised to 4. Okay, so here which terms will get cancelled? Constant 1 minus 1 plus t square minus 3t square plus 10t raised to 4 minus 10t raised to 4. So let us see what terms are remaining. So t is remaining, so 2 into t plus 2 into 5t cube. So these are the only terms remaining. So therefore again 2 will get cancelled with this denominator 2, so we get t plus 5t cube x o of t. Okay, so now let us take the second example of the same problem. So what's the second example? X of t equal to 1 plus t cube cos of 10t. So again put t equal to minus t, so we get x of minus t 1 plus minus t cube x of 10 into minus t. So 1 minus t cube into cos of 10t. Okay, so this is what we get from this particular term. So now even part is given by x of t equal to substituting the two terms x of t and x of minus t. X of t is 1 plus t cube cos 10t, then plus 1 minus t cube cos 10t, so 1 by 2. So cos 10t can be taken outside. 1 plus t cube and 1 minus t cube it is. Minus t cube plus t cube will get cancelled. So what you get is 1 divided by 2 cos of 10t into 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. So therefore x e of t is just cos of 10t. Similarly, the odd part is given by x of t minus x of minus t. So let us again substitute the terms. 1 plus t cube cos 10t minus 1 plus minus t cube cos 10t. Again we'll get cos term outside. 1 plus t cube minus of 1 plus t cube. Here minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So 2 will get cancelled again. So here we get t cube into cos of 10t as the odd component of the signal. Okay. So this is it in this particular video lecture. So we have solved quite a bit of examples here to understand the how do we obtain the even and odd part from the given x of t. So you can expect such a kind of example in your exam also. Okay, so this is just one type of examples. We have another type of examples where the particular shape of the signal will be given and we need to obtain the even and odd part from that. So that we will see in the next video lecture. Till then, happy learning and thank you.